Welcome to Ask and Learn.
For the theorem of Pappus and Guldinus, we have a suspension bunker that is filled with coal. So this is filled with coal. The unit weight of coal is 50 pounds per cubic foot, and we are to assume a 20% loss of volume due to air voids. So for this problem, we first need to find the area of the generating plane and its x-bar. So let's set up a differential strip. Let's call the width of it as x and the thickness as dy, and the distance from the x-axis as y. So we have our differential area is equals to x dy. So if we integrate this differential area, we would get a is equals to the integral of x dy, but we know that our x is equals to the square root of y all over 0.2. So we have the square root of y all over 0.2 dy from 0 to 20 feet. So if we evaluate this integral, we would get the 2/3 divided by square root of 0.2 times y raised to 1.5 from 0 to 20, and if we calculate this, we would get 133.33 square foot. And then we also need to get our x-bar dA, because our x-bar is equals to the integral of x-bar dA divided by the integral of dA. And we know that our x-bar is equals to our width all over 2. And our dA is equals to x dy. So we can write this as the integral of x squared all over 2. So substituting the value of x as the square root of y all over 0.2, we would have the integral of y all over 0.4 dy from 0 to 20. Y squared all over 0.8 from 0 to 20. So calculating this, we would then get 500 cubic foot. So now we are ready to solve our x-bar. So we have 500 divided by 133.33. We would get 3.75 feet. So using the second theorem of Pappus, we have that the angle of revolution times r bar times the area of generating plane. And our angle of revolution is equals to 2 pi radians. So now we can compute for the volume. So we have 2 pi times 3.75 times the area of the generating plane, 133.33. So our volume is 3141.51 cubic feet. So the weight of the coal is equals to 0.8 of volume multiplied by the unit weight of coal. So we have 0.8, 3141.51 times 50. The weight of the coal is equals to 125.66 kips.